It's quite easy to get extra baggage on Air India flights. Today I'm going to teach you how you can do it. First, open any web browser and go to the official Air India website. If you have already booked a flight and want to add extra baggage, simply click on Manage Booking. Under the Manage section, you'll find Manage Booking again. Click on that. You'll then be prompted to enter your booking reference number and your last name. After providing this information, click Submit. This will take you to your booking page where you can add extra baggage for an additional fee. If you haven't made a booking yet and want to create a new one, click on Book and Search Flight. During the flight booking process, you'll see an option to add baggage. You can add extra baggage at this stage. To understand the details of extra baggage, you can navigate to the baggage section on their website and then select excess baggage. Here you'll find the information regarding extra baggage allowances and charges. When booking your flight, be sure to pay attention to the option for adding extra baggage. You'll need to select this option and also specify the weight of the extra baggage you'll intend to carry. That's pretty much it. That's how you can add extra baggage to your Air India flight. I hope you found this helpful.